Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today I want to teach you just a simple chord riff, walking up from D major to D major over F sharp up to G major. Very simple chord riff I think you'll enjoy. So let's get started. Okay, to play this chord riff, it's going to be D major, and then D major over F sharp, and then G major. Okay, just real quick review on how to play these chords in case you do not know. To play D major, you place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 2 on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. And then strum the bottom 4 strings, or if you want to strum the 5th A string, that'll be fine too. This will be D major. Okay, to play D major over F sharp, now sometimes you'll see that. So if you see the first chord is the main chord that you'll be playing, which would be D major, and then if you see a slash F sharp, that means you'll play an F sharp for your bass note. And an F sharp, it will be played on the E string. This is E, and then this first fret will be F. F sharp will be the 2nd fret on the very top E string. And to play that, you just simply wrap your thumb around, and it doesn't take much pressure to play the F sharp. You can hear F sharp, 2nd fret, and you'll just strum all strings. Okay. Okay, that is D major over F sharp. And then to play G major, you just place finger number 1 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the very top E string on the 3rd fret, and then your little finger on string number 1 of the 3rd fret, strum all strings. Okay. All right. Okay, then to put that all together, you play D major, and then D major over F sharp, and then G major. Okay, and then typically what I do when I'm changing, I'll just kind of play that F sharp a little bit first, and then strum the strings. Kind of hit that first as a bass string. So. Very easy chord riff, walking up from D major to G major and putting D major over F sharp in the middle. All right, if you enjoyed this lesson and would like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation, just simply bookmarks my channel and your subscriptions so I can easily be found, and you'll also be notified when new videos have been uploaded. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. Thank you for viewing today. Have a great day. God bless you.